Welcome to the MetaVision 3D module within Vision. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step demonstration of how to load, visualize, process, and export 3D spatial metabolomics data using MetaVision 3D. We begin by selecting the MetaVision 3D algorithm from the drop-down menu at the top left of the Vision interface. Next, we load our dataset. Click Select CSV File and navigate to the folder containing your 3D lipidomics data. Once the file is loaded, a list of detected molecules will populate. From this list, we can choose a specific molecule for visualization. In this case, we're selecting PI_36_4. After selecting the molecule, we proceed to configure the analysis process. From the Select Process menu, you can choose to impute, interpolate, or perform both operations. For this example, we'll choose both, enabling both data completion and smoothing. Now, define the number of slices and the interpolation radius for your analysis. Once configured, click Run to begin processing the data. After processing, the visualization will appear in the slide view. Here, you'll see each tissue slice rendered, allowing you to inspect the distribution of the selected molecule throughout the sample. To evaluate data normalization, click on the Norm Plot tab. This graph allows you to assess consistency across slices and identify any variability in intensity or signal dropout. Next, we move to the Animation tab. This feature allows us to scroll dynamically through the reconstructed slices, offering a slice-by-slice playback of molecular distribution over the depth of the sample. To view a composite, three-dimensional rendering, we switch to the 3D View tab. This creates a volumetric visualization of the molecular data, revealing the metabolite's spatial profile across the entire sample. You can further customize the display by switching color maps. For example, selecting the Magma color map to improve contrast and emphasize signal intensity differences. Once you've finished exploring the data, you can export it using the Export tab. Here, you can select specific molecules and tissue slices to include. Choose between exporting as a single CSV file or multiple CSVs, depending on your downstream analysis needs. Next, specify your output directory. Name your export file. Here we're calling it export_1315. And click the green Export button to generate your CSV. Open the exported file in Excel to verify the data structure. Each row corresponds to a specific tissue or slice, and each column contains quantitative intensity values for the selected molecule. You can also return to the 3D View tab and use the export tools there to save your volumetric visualizations. For more advanced visualization, we demonstrate using ImageJ. Open the exported NIFTI or NPY file using the File Open option. Then, go to Plugins greater than 3D greater than Volume Viewer to launch a full 3D interface. In the Volume Viewer, you can rotate, zoom, and inspect the sample in 3D space. You can apply custom transfer functions, adjust lighting, and set axis views. For example, applying the Fire LUT enhances contrast and highlights spatial features clearly. Finally, use the XYZ controls to reorient your view and gain insights from any anatomical plane. This concludes the demonstration of MetaVision 3D. With its powerful interface, integrated processing options, and export capabilities, MetaVision 3D allows researchers to explore metabolomic data in 3 dimensions with precision and clarity. Thank you for watching.